Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we'll watch the action in autonomous as the bots move off of their starting position. They gain 3 points apiece as they're able to score high atop the reef. They gain 7. They can gain additional points, anywhere from 3 to 7 points by scoring on the reef. Coming out of autonomous, the first 15 seconds, the human players now have control. It was 16 for the blue and 6 for the red as 7104 heads towards the reef, looking for some coral to place. They've got it in their possession. They've got their arm raised up. Where are they going to do? They drop it in the trough, worth 2 points for the Red Alliance. 4701, the team wire sitting on the side, studying the currents as they head towards the processor. On the opposite side of the field, their Blue Alliance partner, team 6340, the Marist Manatees, scoring high atop the reef, worth 5. It's 30-8 with 1:37 left to go as 9477. The Lambda team gets into position to launch their algae into the trough. The net on top of the barge. They're sitting there, they're getting into position. The timing has got to be right. They're waiting for the ocean currents to be just right. The waves have to be at a specific height. They're in position, they're holding there. No, they back away and head someplace else. They decide to change their strategy as 36-35 places one on the middle row, worth 4 points. There's 4701 approaching the reef. They have coral in their possession as 6340, the Marist Manatees, going high again, placing it high, but it drops off into the trough for 2. It's now 50-26 in favor of the Blue Alliance with 52 seconds left to go. 7104 with a piece of coral they're looking for. They're heading over towards the coral zone to collect that coral from atop the barge. The human player passing it down the chute to the bot located low on the ocean floor. 9477 approaching the algae, trying to collect it so they can score again as the Blue Alliance has 3 of those algae pods in the net for 12 points as it's 64-46 right now. 6340. The Marist Manatees, they're at the barge zone, looking like they're going to try to grab hold of that deeply anchored cage to gain 12 points for their alliance as more algae is being scored from the side for the Blue Alliance. 6340 having a little bit of trouble right there as they're collecting. They're pulling themselves up. They're ascending towards the surface. They're completely off of the ocean floor right now, but they're rocking and rolling in the current. Remember, no part of the bot can be touching the ocean floor in order to be granted those 12 points. It was close at the end of the match with a score of 74-71. The difference could be 6340's climb at the end. All right, in that last match, let's see which color fish will be released. It's the Blue Alliance victorious in match number 45 with a score of 88-73. 88-73. They did get credit for the barge ascension from the ocean floor. That gave them the victory over the Red Alliance. They gained 5 ranking points, 1 for the barge, 3 for the victory, and 1 for their autonomous play.